Ooh, what's up, everybody? Mad of Trades here. All right, well, we are no data. There we go. Okay, I think the stream started. If it did, if it wasn't earlier, welcome everyone. Mad of Trades here. We are doing another backtesting video again because backtesting is what builds a successful day trader, in my opinion. All right. Well, this is going to be a little different than what we've been doing. I mean, it's all back testing, but it'll be a little bit different. Let me just get to the day we're going to be starting at here. 5/12/2023. We'll start at 7:30. Okay. All right. Well, this is pretty much the most basic chart setup on green charts. Well, I guess I shouldn't say one of the most basic, but it's a very popular setup. You're basically utilizing all of the indicators except for the echo, which I actually still need to make a video about the echo. So I'll be doing that. If I have time today, I'll do it. But we have our pressure indicator on our 1 minute chart, and then our 5 minute chart, we also have a pressure indicator. We have our majors and minors and our TNT, and if you're not familiar with these indicators, I do have a playlist of videos that go through each of these individually, so go ahead and feel free to check that out at your leisure. Anyway, so we're going to be talking about the 10-point trade plan, and it's what are these? I don't need these. It's a very, very basic trade plan. And basically, if you have 8 or more points in the direction that you're looking to take a trade, you take that trade. 7 or less, you got to have some, well, if you have 7, then you'll have to have some other nuances going for you, usually within the majors and minors. And 6 and below, you're just not taking the trade. So first thing is to show you how many points are where. So first chart here, there's 1 point available on our 5 minute pressure. There's 3 on our majors and minors. There's 2 on our TNT lines. There's 4. I don't know why that just reset. But anyway, 1, 3, 2, and 4. So 1 line for each TNT line, or 1 point for each TNT line, basically. Guess we can just delete that. I don't know where the rest of them went. But anyway, so basically, whatever your trade plan dictates your signal candle to be on your smaller chart, if that candle is present, then that is a point in that direction. So there's 1 point there. Your 3 points here are based off of 3 factors. So the first one is based off of whichever color is on top. Red is a point to sell, green is a point to buy. The second is the direction that your pressures are pointing. Both of them have to be pointing that direction. Excuse me. My kid is having a tantrum in the background. The direction that they're pointing, that's another point. And again, they both have to be pointing in the same direction. And then, let's see. And then the third is, are they diverging? Are the lines currently diverging or converging? If they are diverging, kind of like how they are right here, that is a point to whichever color is on top. Convergence goes to a point to whichever color is on bottom. Now, a way to remember, think of these the TNT lines, the pressures, as if they're in a battle with each other to be on top, and whichever color is making strides to becoming the top color or or moving away from becoming the bottom color, you go give a point to that color. And this will make more sense once we go through some examples, because we're going to be doing a full back test on this. And then there's 2 points for the majors and minors, 1 point for the majors, 1 point for the minors. Basically, if both of if we'll look at our majors first, if they're both pointing up with the bullish color on top, that's a point. Same thing with the minors, if they're both pointing up with the bullish color on top, that's a point. And then it's the opposite for a sell. if they're pointing in the bearish direction with the bearish color on top, that's a point for both the majors and minors. The T&T lines are simple enough, so it's just 1 point for each line in whichever direction they're facing. Now the orange T&T lines are directional, so you just give a point to whichever direction they're pointing. The blue lines are inverse, they're opposite, so you'll give a point for each direction they're facing in the opposite way. So if blue's pointing up, that's a point to sell. This blue dotted blue is pointing down, that's a point to buy. So basically what you'd want to do to start with this particular trade plan is you want to start off with looking at your 5-minute pressure, and whichever direction you have at least 2 out of 3 points, that is the direction that you're going to be looking to make a trade. So right now, for example, I got 2 out of 3 points in the sell direction. So I would come over here and wait for my first candle, a sell signal candle, which in this case I'm going to be saying that it has to be a red candle, it has to close underneath both of my pressure lines, and it also has to be touching my pressure line. So that's what I'm going to define as my sell signal candle. And then green, or a buy, obviously is going to be opposite. It's got to be green, touch pressure, and close above pressure. So these two candles right here would be examples of buy signal candles. But our pressure is looking a little more bearish right now. And the pressure is kind of the be-all, end-all indicator, in my opinion. Okay, so yeah, we just click forward, keep going. All right, hey, actually, right here, this is technically a sell signal candle, so this is still, I got 2 out of 3 points here to sell, and then got a red candle here. Technically, it did close below pressure, barely, and it is touching it, of course. So I would count out my points here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, so only 5 points, so not going to take that. Okay, and then nothing really changed on that sell signal candle, so we're not going to be doing anything there. Okay, I actually have 3 out of 3 points here to sell. Now, if these are parallel, you pretty much just give that a point to the sell direction. If you can't clearly see convergence or divergence, you just give it a point to whichever direction they're pointing. So I got 3 out of 3 sell points on pressure, which is interesting because I actually have 2 points to buy on my majors and minors right now, and 3 points to buy. So we're not going to be doing anything with that until we get some more. Okay, so still 3 out of 3 here. Still have a sell signal candle here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I actually have 8 out of 10 points. And we are just going to use our ATR, 5 candle ATR for our stop loss. And then we're just going to go for half. Oh, 0.8. There we go. For our take profit. So 2 to 1 risk reward. See how this goes. Wow, that one won real quick. That one won real big. And I'm just gonna do a flat lot size of 10 for every trade for now. That's just how we're gonna record our results. But I'm gonna record this on my spreadsheet percentage base. So we're just gonna assume that we're risking 1% per trade. And this isn't really gonna matter too much, but it'll be kind of fun to keep track of as we go. Okay, so that's one trade. All right, on to the next. Okay, so right now I have 2 out of 2 to sell still. So we're still looking for sell candles until we just got across here. So now I got 2 points to buy. In fact, did that happen? Nope, that didn't happen right there. So looking for there we go, buy signal. Got 3 out of 3 here. Got 1 here. and 2 here. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so 7 points here. I feel good about taking this. Well, no, actually, because we are maxed out on our thick orange value, so that could be a red flag right there. So I don't really have enough nuance in my majors and minors telling me that I want to take this trade, so we'll skip that one. And maybe we would have hit our take profit, but if we didn't, we definitely would have got stopped out right there. All right. So I technically still have 2 points to buy right now. Now I got 3 points to buy. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So still at 7. We are committing into the top channel here with our majors. We'll take this one. 36 and 18. That's a buy. All right, there we go. There's a winner. Okay, and pressure still bullish, or it was. Okay, so we're 1-1 right now as far as pressure. Okay, now we're definitely bearish. Committing, starting to commit majors here. Minors are already down there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are maxed out here. And this isn't quite a Hydra. So we'll skip that one. Maybe we'll get another opportunity here. Okay. So now we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's still have 7. Yeah, I don't like that either. I would have won though. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still have 7. Yeah. Okay. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, still 7. Be nice when our TNTs update here. Okay. Should get some opportunities here. That's actually a signal. So 1, 4, 5. And all 4 of these are actually bullish now. So that's a bit of a sign, I guess. Hang on, what happened here? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we actually get one of these earlier? 1. Okay, our miners weren't quite there yet. Okay, so here's a sell signal right here. 22 and 11. Okay, and we won that one too. So 3 out of 3 so far. Okay, we did get a cross here, so we're probably going to be looking for a buy here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8, so I'm going to take a buy. Round that down to 50. Go for 25. Okay, we did lose that one. Okay. Okay, overall, 3 winners, 1 loss. And that is a profit of 0.5%. Better just make this percent right now. Why isn't that a percentage? Why won't it let me put in a 0.5%? Okay, spreadsheets are weird. Oh, what? 0.5? Okay, I have to do a 0? That's silly. 0.5. Okay, so 0.5% return. All right. Okay, next day is 4/21 of 2023. And this is the second time I've tried Prime. The first flavor was not as good as this one. The first one was like a lemon lime or something. Didn't like it very much. The strawberry watermelon's a lot better. Still not my favorite though. I think it's overrated. Okay. So first thing, I do have a Hydra here, which is a nice nuance. Cell candle, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think I will take this because Hydras are a sign of continuation, which is this pattern where we commit into one of the upper or lower channels here, and the minors kind of go into the majors. That is a Hydra and typically a sign of continuation. So we'll use that as one of our nuances here. So round that down to, well, round that up probably to 24 and then 12. Okay, we did get stopped out there. Okay, so first trade was a loss. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How come that's not? Oh, that is 3. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why can't I count right now? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why wasn't that? Whatever. All right, we're taking this trade regardless. Get it? There we go. Okay, we got to win one more on the day to break even. Okay, here's a buy signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to take a buy here. 36 and 18. And again, we're just using our 5 candle ATR here for our stop loss. Okay, won that one, and we're actually getting another buy signal. Everything's the same, so we're gonna go for some more. Because why not? There we go. 2 winners, just like that. Okay, so we're bullish on our TNTs. Okay, or not our TNTs, our pressure. Okay, now we're bearish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so no trade. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 still. Okay, now we're bullish on pressure, and that is actually the day. So 3 winners, 1 loss. So again, that is 0.5% return. So now we're, after 2 days, a 1% return overall, and that's over our entire trade account. So yeah, not bad. 10/17/23 is next. Okay, got 2 points to buy. 1, 2, 3, 0 there. 4, 5, so nothing there. So 1, 2, 3, still. Okay, now we have a bearish pressure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I am going to count the nuance that both our majors and minors are committing into the bottom channel here. So I am going to take a trade, a sell with 7 points. And again, we want 8 ideally, but if there's another nuance, we'll take it at 7. So 32 and 16. Take a sell. All right, that one lost. Okay, I have another sell candle here. I actually have 3 out of 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now I got my 8 points. I'm going to go for that sell again here. Okay, there we go. Okay, we've got to win one more to break even. Actually, have another sell right here. Make sure that's not the same one. Yep, so 1, 2, 3, 4. No, green is not quite pointing down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not going to take that. Okay. Say another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess you could call that a Hydra. So we'll go ahead and take this sell. This is a little bit bigger. 72 and 36. A little bigger candles here. Okay, we lost that one too. But we did get a buy signal right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29 and we'll just round that up to 30 here. Okay, got that one. I think in terms of having multiple trades open at the same time, I won't have more than one going the same direction, but I will take a trade in the opposite direction to mitigate the loss of the other one. Okay. Come on. Okay, sell. I have a sell candle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 36 and 18. Okay. So this one's not touching. Have a buy signal, but pressure's not bullish. Sell signal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I don't want to take that one. Probably should have though. So here's another one. I actually had one right here. 1. Was this the one that I just counted up and didn't take? I don't know. Yeah, it is. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually lost points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're actually losing points. Probably gonna be so 1. Let's see. Start converging. Not really pointing down. Here's a nuance though. Gray dagger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I kind of want to count this as 2 though. since we are rounding off, I guess you kind of look at that as a nuance. We'll take it. Oh, darn it. Okay. So first negative, our red day. So this is going to be so 1.5. So minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. So now we're down 0.5% overall. Okay, 1, 2 of 20 is our next day. Oh, this strategy is going to take a really long time to backtest. Each day takes a long time. Okay, and I'll probably just get to the point where I'm not talking a lot, walking through everything. Just because that takes time too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll take a buy. Just going for 1 pip. Didn't get it. Well, that stinks. Okay, so 1, 2. Well, that's interesting. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, we'll take a sell here. Got it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aren't really any nuances telling me to. Alright, so now I actually have more bullish pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll take a buy here. And we'll lose it. This is a buy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a buy. Okay, got that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, got another buy here. Okay, got it. We're continuing looking for buys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No nuances. Or what I don't know, what I consider to be nuances at least. I guess I shouldn't say nuances, but just if you have 7 points, just take a look at the other indicators and see what possible signals you could be getting. And then, I don't know, just kind of go with your gut. Six, 7, okay. Okay, definitely moving into bullish territory with our pressure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't help that it might have been a little bit biased there. I did see the next candle. No. I want my pressure. Okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, no, nothing there. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and have a bit of a dagger there. I'll take that. Got it. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, no nuances really telling me to hop in there. Both majors and minors are down, so not taking that trade. Although we would have won though, but let's see. Looks like we got. Okay, we broke even that day. So 4 wins, 2 losses, and it's a 2-to-1 risk reward. So we're still down overall. Oh, jeez. 0.5. Come on, Nathan. 0.5. I don't understand. 0.5. Thank you. Okay. There we go. Okay, 7, 8, 21's next. Win rate overall is 65. And we need that to be 67 to break even. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take a sell. Okay, got it. One, 2, 3, 4, 4 maybe. Okay, nothing there. No. Four, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we'll take a sell here. And that's gonna be 14. Okay, lost that one. Okay, nothing there. Okay, take a sell here. It's a little questionable whether that's touching or not. Eh. Would this one been one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take a sell here. Got it. Yeah, I'm not really feeling that this is going to be worth trading in a live market. Let's see, that's a candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do have a nuance. We'll take a buy here. And lost. Yeah, I just not feeling this one. could we do to tweak this? You know what, let's try something different. Let's set a few hard rules. So we're going to move away from the 10-point plan. Let's go back to our first day. Okay, so it's not necessarily going to be a 10-point plan anymore necessarily, but we'll set some hard rules. Okay, so same rules with the signal candle. We want 2 out of 3 and 3 out of 3 here. And we want these to either have a nuance or committing in or out, commitment in or out of the channel in any direction to take a trade. So basically we can just click forward and keep our eye on this. Okay, so right here there's clear commitment. That's good. I only have 2 there, so I wouldn't take that. Okay, so now we're going to wait for a trade to get out. Okay, that's right here. These are pretty much crossing. Got 4 there. Take a trade. Maybe we don't even use the 1-minute chart. Let's get rid of the 1-minute chart. Let's just use the 5-minute chart and see how we do with that. Ooh, I don't like how that looks though. Okay, it's a little better when it's further away, I guess. That's the heck. Go back to the day because it got out for some reason. All right, so we'll click 5 minutes at a time and just basically look for commitment. Okay, got downward commitment. Those are committed down. Those are committed down. We'll use our ratio tool. Just go up to the... Ugh, see, these are big trades. 144. That's going to be 60, 72. Okay, now we're committing up. We're middle of a buy. What the heck? Maybe we could set a hard rule to where we can't take a trade if we're maxed out. Okay, we're committing out of the channel now for take a sell, get that one out. Okay, got that. Okay, now we're looking for commitment out of the channel. Well, that's the end of the day. Yeah, I'm just gonna go forward one day at a time for the sake of just getting a feel for this first. Let's take a buy here. We'll just use that. Okay, that one lost. Take a sell. Just use the ATR. Okay, that one won. I don't know about this. I think I do need 2 charts. Here's what I need to do. All right, we're just going to pick a random month. Sorry, we're a little bit scattered right now. We are going to put our pressure right there. Take a sell there. Okay, yeah, that was good. Goodness. Okay, have a Hydra. So we do the same trade. It's a big one. So it's going to be 135. I'm not even necessarily following a specific trade plan, just kind of going based off of indicators. All right, 9 o'clock. Not taking any more trades. Just click until this one wins or loses at some point. Looks like it's going to lose. Oh, well, we're just going to be clicking. We're just clicking. Oh, gracious. Just end. There we go. See, I just... 3 trades. Well, I'm going to go ahead and call it for live streaming. I just don't feel like this session is productive. I'm just more or less messing around, I think. So go ahead and call it quits for this session. Thanks for watching.